Hello everyone, my name is Tamás Dános, and this is Stable. As I usually do, I brought you another Hungarian classic. Not one, I brought you two Hungarian classics on one plate. This is csirke paprikash, which is a fire-fanged chicken in a paprika stew, and also a pasta dish, which is sour cream with cottage cheese mixed with pasta and then some smoked lard on top. We will mix these two together, and this is how we're going to get our full meal. For the meal, we will need chicken thighs, the base for the stew, and then the secret ingredient, szárított piros paprika, which is sweet paprika powder. For the pasta dish, we will use the dried pasta, the cottage cheese, the sour cream, and then we will add the smoked lard. The first step is to prepare the base of the stew. After we cut the onions, we braise them on some oil. For this stew, I chose a pressure cooker pot. I like to use it very much at home because it halves the cooking time and also enhances the flavors because of the pressure. After the onion is braised properly, we can add the other vegetables as well. It's time to add the secret ingredient, which is, yes, as you know, the Hungarian sweet paprika powder. Let's fold them together. We add some extra water and we cook it without the lid until all the water evaporates. If you want to concentrate the flavors as much as possible, you can repeat this method 2 or 3 times. After all the extra water evaporated, we can add the chicken, salt, and we add some freshly grated garlic. We give it a good stir, and then we cook it with the lid on for 1.5 hours. The stew, it's on its way to perfection. The only thing what's left is to cook the pasta. I saved the skin of the lard. We will put it into the boiling water. It gives a nice texture, and also it delivers this smoky taste what we want to have. So after salting the water gently, we can add the pasta. While the pasta is cooking, let's mix the sour cream and the cottage cheese and add the smoked lard into the mix. Fun fact, just to show how much we appreciate lard, we even have a village named after it. It's called Salonna. This village is located near Aktelek National Park, which is a very beautiful area. There's a lot of outdoor activities you can do there, such as hiking, rock climbing. When the pasta is cooked, we drain it. Let's mix it with the rich and creamy sauce that we just prepared. The stew is cooked to perfection, so the next step is to separate the thighs from the sauce. We will blend the sauce to give it a smoother texture. We're done with the blending, so now we can start to plate the meal. Let's start with the pasta. On top of the pasta, add some of the smooth sauce we've just blended. Then we continue with the chicken. Then some more sauce. Then we add the sour cream, and at last some frizzled smoked lard. Enjoy your meal.
Mm.